Presentations. English Level 2. Introduce myself. Tell about my experience in Viña del Mar, the weather in the Viña del Mar, recommendation if you go to Viña del Mar. My name is Carolina Rivera Sierra. I am 47 years old. I work at a transportation company. I am married. I am from Cúcuta. I live with my family. My husband is Edgar Alberto Castillo. My daughter is Isabella. She is a school student. She is 14 years old. Your cat's name, Menino. I am happy, an active woman with goals of progress in life. I like reading, singing, and doing exercise on Sunday. I dislike eat Chilean food. Stage number 1. Tips to go to Viña del Mar, Chile. Let's vacations. I went to the Viña del Mar, Chile. I stayed there 10 days and went with my husband and my daughter. I liked it because I was cheap. I just paid $500. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the Monument Flowers Club and Monument Arturo Prat, and I liked it a lot. I liked to travel Viña del Mar because summer in the hottest time of year. The days are longer and sunnier, and people often enjoy swimming in the beach. Stage number 2. The weather in the Viña del Mar. The weather in the Viña del Mar is great in summer. Summer is the hottest time of year. The days are longer and sunnier, and people often head outdoors for recreations in the beach. Recommendations. It is recommended that people use sunglasses. It is recommended that people wear cool clothes in the beach. It is necessary that people use sunscreen. Good idea. It is a good idea that people exercise in the beach. Important point. That is important that people respect dangerous signals. Important point. It is necessary that people take care of the environment. Good idea. It is a good idea that people take photos at flower o'clock. Important point. It is better that children eat fruits and vegetables. What should do? People ought to visit Monument Arturo Prat and National Navy of Chile. People had better buy tickets advance because there are many tourists. People should go to Viña del Mar in Chile. The climate is commonly sunny and humid. What shouldn't do? Important point. People had better not not drive drunk in the sea. It is very, very dangerous. Important point. It is hard bear, not lay children alone on the beach. People shouldn't wear hot clothing, has coat, jacket, sweater in the beach. Thank you.